Imagine your emotions as lights and colours that can move around your body. These are connected to what your mind says to you, as well as to sensations in your whole being. I wonder if you can tune in to whichever is the strongest emotion that you are noticing right now. If you wish, you can observe where that emotion is sitting in your body. You may want to notice where the emotion is, the heaviness or lightness of that sensation. See if you can be curious about what your mind is saying to you about that emotion and how you are experiencing it. And notice, if you wish to, how your body is reacting to what your mind is saying. Accepting all of these reactions and experiences. Emotions aren't good or bad, right or wrong. They are part of the experience of being human. You may want to give the emotion a number from 1 through to 10, with 10 representing a very powerful emotion and 1 a light flutter of an emotion. Notice, if you can, the colour and shape of the emotion that you are experiencing, being curious about the texture, size, weight and shape, as well as the hardness or softness of that emotional experience. Notice for the moment the experience, if you can, of noticing and paying mindful attention. You might find this difficult or hard. We just bring our attention back. Can be a challenging thing to learn. We're mindfully paying attention to the experience of being ourselves. I encourage you to be interested and curious, as though you had never been aware of these emotions before. Now, if you would like to, see if you can open up and allow the experience of these emotions and the noticing of the emotion to just be there in your body. I wonder if you can notice and accept the emotion without fighting, without struggling, without trying to get rid of it, allowing it just to be there. Allow yourself to acknowledge any suffering or turmoil when you allow the emotion to just be present. You may wish to breathe out slowly, letting all the breath out of your lungs. Notice, if you can, as the out-breath goes around, through and over the sensation of the emotion. See if you can bring in over and around the emotion with your breath, opening yourself up to just allowing the emotion to be there and making space for it. Notice, if you wish, how your breath can go around and over that feeling and that physical presentation of your emotion, and how you can make space for your breath and the emotion. You may wish to notice the bit of you that is noticing the experience of allowing the emotion to just be there, and how you are making room in yourself to stop struggling with the experience of having emotions. Continuing to engage your curiosity and explore how you can allow an emotion to just be there, not trying to be rid of it, acknowledging its strength and your own unique sensitivity. Bringing your breath all the way down to your toes. Notice how your feet and toes are supported by the floor beneath your feet. You might notice the sensation of your feet in your shoes or on the floor, supporting and grounding you. You may be able to hear or notice sounds both inside and outside your body, both inside and outside the room you are in. See if you can notice yourself noticing and also allowing thoughts and feelings that you have to be present in your body. See if you can observe other sensations in your body. You might observe tightness or looseness, aching, tingling, warmth or cold. See if you can observe and allow all these sensations without judging them. Noticing you can have many different sensations in your body at the same time. Now, coming back into the visual room, notice objects in the room around you, whether deliberately placed by you or part of the accumulation of objects that happens in life. Notice any smells around you or any tastes in your mouth. Be curious about what else you are aware of as you widen your lens of curiosity to your full range of awareness. You may want to sense the feeling coming from your fingertips, from your legs on the chair, from your arms, your feet, your ears, allowing yourself to have the full range of experiences while also making room for emotions to just be there. Again, notice the thoughts and feelings and the emotions you are having. Again, notice the colour, shape, size and weight. We are merely observers, and we're giving space to allow our observer to be curious. Now I want you to see if you can just come back into your normal way of existing and sit and observe how that experience was for you in observing your emotions. Thank you.